SONA, sir, parating na po sa Monday. You think the President will make a big announcement, SONA? As from a corporate point of view, what are the things that would be music to your ears?
Okay, first, do I think that the President will make a big announcement? I mentioned earlier in my program in another channel, and I said, fearless forecast. I believe that the President will make a major announcement. And in my view, it has something to do with the flood control. In the same way that he made a major announcement regarding the eradication of POGO. And then the second major announcement was, he was the one who actually blew the whistle on the flood control. Sinasabi ko nga, saan ka ba nakakita sa kahit anumang bansa, kahit anumang jurisdiction, na ang Pangulo mismo, ang Presidente mismo, ang naging whistleblower. Usually, iba yung whistleblower, but dito, ang Pangulo mismo ang naging whistleblower. So, sa aking pananaw, magkakaroon ng isang major, let's say, announcement in the SONA related to the flood control project. Kasi, pag hindi, medyo magbabackfire yan.
And normally it's reserved towards the end. Parang
Yes.
sa Pogo nun, di ba? Parang climax siya eh.
In fact, sa Pogo, hindi na sinama sa speech na
Yes.
binigay sa media para
Yes.
hindi ma-preempt.
Correct.
And then, pero in-announce na lang. Which was, again, the President at the time was listening to the pulse of the people. He saw, he felt, based on numbers and based on empirical data and feedback, that ayaw ng taong bayan yung Pogo. But of course, there were also strong arguments to maintain POGO because of the, shall we say, financial or benefits that we derive from their paying, from employment, from leasing all these properties, from the collateral business, and I don't know to what extent sa taxes, no, or maybe they wanted to pay more, no. I think the government wanted them to pay more, but
willing.
ang nangyari, binalance yung detrimental social implications at pinakinggan yung taong bayan. He immediately said no to POGO. Feeling ko dito rin mangyayari, nakikita niya ang taong bayan ay naghihintay. Ano ba ang you already blew the whistle. Bravo. First time na ang Pangulo, isang Pangulo ang mismo nagsabi na may katiwaan dito sa flood control, no? Pero dapat ano ang mangyayari? Who will be held accountable?
Yes.
Nasaan na ba tayo?
Oh, they're demanding heads must roll and they want to see those heads. But I heard magkakaroon daw ng grand gesture, if I'm not mistaken. I heard from some birdies na talagang wow, performance level. Kung totoo yung narinig ko, attorney.